Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm gonna film this video. I know I sound weird, I am so stuffed up, I am sick, but life goes on and I'm just gonna make the best of it. I have too much to do. All right, so Black Friday. Black Friday has arrived. I know that many of you are waiting for your Black Friday orders from Diamond Art Club still. They had pre-orders, and if you ordered something that had a pre-order on it, you know, you're gonna have to wait for the whole order. Mine did have a pre-order, but it was a pre-order that was coming pretty quickly. So I got mine. Yay, I got mine. Lucky me. Yay, 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 yay. All right. I haven't decided if I'm going to do two right now or just this one. But this is one I had to have. As you can tell, it's a big bad one. Big bad boy right here, right? Big bad boy. And it's one that when I saw this pop up on Black Friday, I was like, yes, yes, yes. All right. So I wanted this in the worst way. In the worst way. It is Chuck Pinson. Of course it's Chuck Pinson. Thank God there were only two, right? But it is Sea Garden Cottage. I just had to have it. Let's get into it and I'll show it to you. Yay. Okay. Whoa, whoa, I just about dropped the whole thing on the floor. It's bottom heavy. Everything sunk to the bottom and it was like... Okay, can we get it out of the box? Maybe. Box is a little squished, but it's not too bad. It's all right. Okay, here is our little sticker that comes with every Diamond Art Club kit. Says Sea Garden Cottage, Chuck Pinson, and it is a 93 by 70. That's our typical large Chuck size. It's this cute cottage by the sea, and there is so much going on in this painting. That's why it had to be 93 by 70. There are so many details in this. We'll get into them. Here's the toolkit. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time opening this. Your 2 heart waxes, your squishy, your pen, baggies, tweezers, because it's a square. There's a multi-placer in there. Everything you'll need to diamond paint is in there. Tweezers. These sharp tweezers come with your square drill paintings, not with rounds. All right? You hear Miss Toffee over here click, click, click on the floor. Time for them to get into the groomer, get their nails trimmed. Yeah. All right. Wow, it's fat. It's fat. That's all I can say. Soft canvas on the back, scalloped edges here with the little pokey holes. I'm going to roll it backwards because it's poured glue and it will help it to lay flat for us so we can see. What in the world? I think I had a bunch of junk on my counter. Nice. I should have cleaned off the counter. Okay, well, like I said, I'm sick. I'm like, whatever. You know, sometimes you're just... Dale's sick too. And he went to work. He's been going to work. He hasn't taken a day off. He got sick before me. He got sick on Saturday. I didn't start feeling icky until Monday. And then Tuesday, I didn't get anything done. Nothing at all. It's Wednesday today. I didn't record a whip and chat. I did nothing. I did get to the post office. Look at this bag of drills. Holy cow, that's a bunch of drills. Look at the colors. Oh, it's so pretty. We'll look at those in a minute. Here is your step-by-step instruction guide, tips and tricks. There's a code in here too. And just in case you guys didn't know, I am an affiliate. I have a code. It's 10 off Mindy. It will save $10 off your first purchase at Diamond Art Club if you've never purchased before. Okay. All right. Wow, this has 61 colors. Okay, here's our peel off labels, individually cut, ready to put on our jars. Here's our symbols. We have a star. You're a star. Okay. Anything under 150 is an AB, so it looks like we have 4. 141 is white, 2 greens, 2 different shades of a green, and an orange. Here's your start and end date, all your details. And look at this. Just look at this picture. Look at everything happening there. We have the cottage. We have an anchor. We have a hummingbird over here in the flowers. There's a bunny over here in the garden. There's horses out on the beach. Seagulls, a kite, a lighthouse, boats. I mean, there is so much going on. The 2 Adirondack chairs. There's all kinds of stuff. There's a pelican. There's a pelican sitting up on the kind of the porch railing there. Cute, right? Love this painting. Oh, well, here, let's look at the lighthouse. There's the lighthouse. All right. All right, let's get close, though. There you go. And here's a blue jay. There's a blue jay and some flowers. There's the drill field. Looks nice and clear. Nice and clear. There's some ABs. 3 right there. AB. 2. AB. 2. 2. 3. That's the 2 greens. Okay. The wishing well. Look at the wishing well. It's got the 2 blue jays, 1 on each side. Here's our chairs. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's a big one. Like I said, it's a big one. Whew, can we get it all in here? I don't know. Can we? No, we can't. Let's do some rearranging. All right. Dog's going downstairs. What are you doing downstairs, dog? Oh my gosh. Okay. There it is. What do you think? Isn't it pretty? The water out here, the ocean, the boats. Look at, there's wind chimes hanging in the tree. There's a bird. There's a bird up in the tree. Maybe there's another bird up there in the tree. And then the kite. Love it. Oh my gosh, I just love this. Seen this image for a long time, and I was like, please, please, please come to Diamond Art Club. Please come, please. And here it is. I love this. It's so pretty. We have a legend over here and over here with all your symbols, all your information down here at the bottom about your kit, social media, a code, all kinds of stuff. And then this hummingbird just hanging out here. Can you see it? There's the hummingbird hanging out in the flowers. Love the hummingbird. Love this painting. Love it. It is very bright, you know. A lot of Chuck Pinsons are the more subdued, natural colors of the land, but this one is super bright with all the blue sky, the blue ocean, all of these flowers. It's very bright. Okay, I adore it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Anything else I didn't notice? I'm sure there is, because there's all kinds of things just hidden in here, you know? All right. Let's look at drills. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. See, this is why I almost dropped the box, because this whole thing like slid to the bottom. Sea Garden Cottage, it says right there. Oh boy. This is more work than I've done in 2 days. All right. This little strip's all by its lonesome. Some greens and a blue. $8.90. All right. Here we go. Let's just roll it. Look at that brown, light brown. Look at the yellows. I did not think there'd be that many yellow. 2 bags of this yellow. Wow, where do those all go? 3 904s. Another brown, a gray. 3 905s. Come on, let's focus here. Thank you. Another yellow. 3 895s. 907, 2 3860s. Like that chocolate brown color. Okay. Ooh, look at that color. Wow, that's pretty. Ooh. 2 779s. 2 3811s. That's a pretty color too. Some more brown. Some more burnt orange. Oh, look at this. 2 bags. Whoa. 2 bags of 134. It's a deeper green, like a grass green. I think we have that bright, like yellowy green too, but we have 2 bags of this. That's a lot. Ooh, that'll be nice. That's going to go all over the place in the greenery, isn't it? Here's our 3371, 23766. This is kind of like a gray, greenish gray. 647. You notice there's a lot of duplicate bags. 2 of this, 2 of that. We got a lot. I haven't found small bags of anything yet, you guys. No small bags. Okay, here's our 141 AB. I didn't tell you in the last one. AB. Hello, focus. Aurora Borealis. There's an iridescent coating on them. They sparkle and shine and pick up colors, all the colors. I see pinks and purples in there. Beautiful. gray, 2 peaches, more blue, red, another blue, another blue, another red, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, green. And there's that like chartreuse kind of green AB. Okay, we see this one quite often. It's easy to pick up on the canvas too. It just pops right off. So. Then here comes our flower colors. Look, purples, pinks, salmons for our flowers. And then our small bags, and there's none that are really super small. Well, there might be a couple, but more flower colors, pinks, purples. Sorry for the sniffling. I just have to do it. Couple more pinks. Here's our last AB. It's just a little tiny bit of orange. We'll have to see if we can find those. They might escape us because there's not very many, but we'll give it a go and we'll see if we can find them. Let's see. All right, so our ABs are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the 4 is the white, and 4 I think is pretty easy to find. 4 is in the house here. Hang on. In the railing, all the railings have the white AB. The porch, up the steps, the railing here, on the windows. Around the windows up here, we get the white AB. Do we have them anywhere else is the question. Anything up in the sky? No. I don't really see any more of the white. Okay. 1, that orange. Okay, well, here's some of the orange. Mr. Pelican has an orange AB beak. Any other orange? The 1. He's bright orange, that beak. That might be all of it. Just him. He gets an orange beak. I don't, well, there's a little bit right here. Little tiny bit here. You see where I'm pointing? I don't even know what that is. There's a little bit right there. I don't see any more. Oh, there's 2 up there and a couple in the kite. Okay. Now that 2, that dark green 2, is all in this tree. Here. Can you see where I'm pointing? Yeah. Here, and the 3 is mixed in there as well. So this tree is filled with the 2 different green ABs. All right. And then we come down here into the grassy areas and we get 3s and 2s and 3. Anywhere you see green, just imagine we've got some ABs in all of these green areas. Over here, 3s, 2s. Okay, they're like all over the place. I love it. I just love it. What do you think? What do you think? Let me zoom you out one more time. There you go. There you go. I love the anchor just hanging out there by the porch. It's so pretty. Wow. And I love that there's horses on the beach. That just, that I love it. All right. I've decided that I'm not going to do the other one at the same time because, yeah, I just don't feel like filming anymore. How's that? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'm sorry about the sniffly, video, but it is what it is. And I'm just trying to go on with my day and do what I need to do. All right. Thanks for watching. And I hope that you love this. I don't know if it's still available. If it is, I can link it below. If things are not available, you can always go and put your name on the waiting list. And when it comes back, they'll email you and tell you when it's back in stock. So there you go. All right. I'm going to go now and I will talk to everybody soon. See you later, you guys.